here we are on the Saturday morning of Meltdown, and I went for tech. It's not as bad as I thought it'd be. Only 3 pages. So we've got some Sawzalls out. Some stuff that happened in tech is they asked not to be filmed. I respect that. I'm not going to film their stuff while they're doing their jobs. You don't go to somebody's job and film them unless they're more than welcome. And these guys said, hey, just be nice. I was like, fine. So back of the car passed. They had a little concerns and asked me some questions on why I did some things the way I did. Blah, blah, blah. I told them if I had more time, this would have leaf springs in the back of it, but I didn't have any more time. So then it came to the engine, and they said it's considered a transmission protector, and I got to cut a lot of it out. I just had torches show up, so we're going to start cutting. How I've done my chains every year here for Meltdown is no longer allowed. I have to wrap it around. I can't have it welded like that. So we're just going to cut that chain off and maybe replace it with seatbelt. There's my axle repair from last night. They do not like a lot of parts of this cage. Sorry, the engine cage. So we got to cut a lot of it off. These right here are doing nothing. They have to be cut off. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff, but we're going to get working on this here, and we're going to head back up to tech after a couple of tries and see how well this goes. So stay with us, guys. We'll be right back. Good? I'll be right back. Spent the last 4.5 hours cutting. We're gonna go try tech again. Hopefully it goes a little smoother this time. But I think it's gonna be okay. I think I have a different line because I'm a retech. These guys are all waiting for the first tech. I got over here super early. Look at the tech line. My God, am I glad I got here early. Come check her out. I passed. So we passed tech. We got our flag. And we're going to be heading up here to get into the line here shortly. Driver's meeting's in about 30 minutes. Take a look at these door wraps. I am loving it. Let's go for a drive, and we're going to see some of the cars that are around this demolition derby here today and show you guys the prelude for DNA's mini meltdown for 2026. So here we are, and we're gonna start at the Outer Banks. There's not a whole lot out here because most people are already trying to pass tech, but let's see what's going on. See, I don't know the classes that a lot of these things are running, but I do like the builds. So that was a Crown Vic over there. If you come over here, we got ourselves a Dodge Nitro. There's one guy that's been running a lot of these in Ontario and having good luck. This one looks pretty rusty, but I don't think these things really give out that bad. So hopefully you can see this thing here have some fun. I'm amazed with the variety and quality of the cars that show up here. It's always amazing coming down to New York and enjoying the show. Another Camry right there getting ready to go up for retech. A Ford wagon for sale. So I'm not sure on a lot of the classes that are running here today. I think there is some very stock classes, NWA. I think youth is allowed any OEM bumper. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure on a lot of these classes. I would have to read the running order, but I'm not too sure. One's a Monty and one's a Cordova. Why would you cut all those slits in the top of that bumper like that? See, I'm not sure about stuff like that. I don't really run this stuff, so I don't know. Who knows? So I talked to that guy about the cuts on the bumper, and he says if somebody drives over top of you and you're trying to back away, the bumper will bend at that one spot to get them off. Kind of smart. We'll have to see if it works out for him. Well-built Camry right there. It looks like this thing took a huge shot in the back. Good cage though. Very tough looking car. Got ourselves a Firebird, I believe it is. Not a Firebird, a Thunderbird or something. Thunderbird. There's a nice clean 03 and newer right there. The frame is black. What class does this one run?
Bumper swap.
Bumper swap full size. Got ourselves a newer Durango or Aspen over there. Apparently those things are pretty stout. GM metric. Got ourselves a Solera over here. A lot of cutting to do.
A little bit.
You gonna be able to make her?
Oh yeah.
Hopefully I'll see you out there, my friend.
Thank you.
The tech line has got a lot smaller from what it was earlier this morning. This tech line was all the way back to almost by my bus. You guys are gonna have to go home. You failed tech too many times. Just go straight home.
Wait a minute.
Do-
I got a flag.
Do not pass go. Just go right home.
It's not the right color. You got some red tape I can put on the top?
Of course I do. How do you think I pass tech? Oh well.
Hey, the inspection line's almost done, man. That means the show starts soon.
Yeah, they're saying it's now 2 o'clock or something. They're starting it. Braden. That's cheating. He's getting pushed. Decent W bodies here. That looks like a bone stock caravan. Some of these guys doesn't even look like they got them off the trailers yet. It's going to be a little hard to pass tech when you haven't got off the trailer. Quite a bit of Super Duties here. Look at all these Super Duties. I love Super Duties. Oh, Bang Bros big old bus. Suburban. That F-250 actually looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna go take a look at that F-250. Look at this thing. This thing is stout. 189. I got my numbers on that one. I think she's gonna do good. It's gonna get to a point down here where I'm not gonna be able to drive my golf cart because look at all these cars. Here's the trucks over here. Carfaxed. 6.5 diesel. 6.5 diesel Tahoe. That's a rare one. Look at the frame rails on the back of that one. That is one used up Suburban. I think he's gonna have a fun time. 1 Camry, 2 Camry, 3 Camry, 4 Camry, 5 Camry, 6 Camry, 7 Camry. There's so many Camrys out here. It's gonna be hard to go through them all. When's the driver's meeting?
There you are again.
Here I am again.
You should have took those Camry wheels.
I'm not gonna have time to go through all of these, but this is a lot of Camrys. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Some Accords. You can walk through it, doesn't matter to me.